guys, late na naman akong nagising. It's 11:30 now, so time for lunch. But, you know why? Okay nga yan dahil we miss breakfast and lunch diretso, economical, diba? Guys, guess what? Gagawa tayo ngayon ng smoothie. It's a fruit I have here. This is fresh fruit. Blueberry, guys, na frozen siya. Siguro mga 1 month na siya sa freezer, so you have to use it. At 3 slices ng pineapple. Lagyan natin ng pineapple juice a little bit. And ito is just orange juice. Maganda ito siya, guys. Si Mr. Beach Hamilton dahil you have to put it in just like that. You don't need to twist it too long. So maganda siya. So, ayan ang ingredients natin. Tomatoes, orange and green, the pepper, and turkey, guys. So, ayan lang si turkey. Kunti lang ang protein natin. Ang gagawin natin is we will add the chickpeas. I-add na natin ang ating chickpeas, guys. We'll add our chickpeas and we will add our cilantro. Ayan, let us see kung anong lasa niya. Cilantro plus chickpeas and vegetables. I don't know how it tastes. A made-up recipe, guys. Aming breakfast na yan siya, but it is very nutritious. Siguro 1.5 cup na. So, kaming dalawa lang talaga sa asawa ko dahil ang mga anak ko ay they're still asleep. So, kami lang talaga kakain. Yan. Good breakfast, huh? Kumpleto ang ating coffee pag magandang cup ko, ano? Malaking mug siya. Talagang very satisfying mug. Yeah. I need mocha. So, ayan, coffee with that one. Coffee mate equals mocha. So, instead of breakfast, guys, nagiging lunch na tayo dito dahil ay gising so late. Okay, good morning. So, ngayong umaga, ito ang naluto ko ng breakfast. Supposed to be breakfast, but then, nagising na naman ako ng late. Alam mo naman, yung mga tamad-tamad, alam mo naman yung mga tamad, guys, hindi siya magising ng maaga. Bell pepper, spinach, egg beaters. Since wala kaming egg beaters, guys, I use ang whole egg, 2 whole eggs, yun lang. And then, spices niya, nilagyan ko siya ng garlic salt and soy sauce. So, since wala kaming spinach, ang ginagawa ko ay nilagyan ko siya ng maraming cilantro. Ay, masarap si cilantro. Plus, additional chickpeas. Masarap siya. This is not breakfast, this is not brunch, but nagiging lunch na siya. Ito sa morning, naubos ko na si tomato juice. Sarap nito. So ayan, instead of breakfast, ito siya nagiging lunch. Hindi nga brunch dahil 12 plus 12 na. Oh my. This is a blueberry plus pineapple, canned pineapple. 3 slices of canned pineapple plus orange juice. Ayan, tingnan natin. Piña colada. It's like a piña colada. So it's past 12, almost 1 o'clock. 1:45. So ayan ang oras natin dito. So hapon na siya. And then itong breakfast ko, instead of spinach, ang nilagay ko is cilantro. So ayan, masarap pa rin. I'm checking Philippines. Oh my gosh. My batch, 2 batches of door-to-doors already in the Philippines. Oh my, I'm so happy. Guys, darating na daw ang package ko doon. Your package, blah blah blah, has been loaded onto our truck for delivery. EDT on 4:30. Oh my gosh, anong petsa na ba ngayon? Subo! bukas na guys. I am so happy. Darating na finally ang box natin. Oh, naiiyak ako. It's been a while. Oh my gosh. Okay, ayan sa lahat ng nag-subscribe sa ating channel guys. If we touches 100 subscribers, ayan, mag-paraffles ako. Darating na bukas ang ating 2 boxes. Yeah, oh gosh. I feel emotional. I'm sorry guys. Napaiyak tuloy ako. Oh dear. So ayan, mag-paraffles tayo. So sa lahat ng nag-subscribe, ang gagawin ko ay ilagay ko dito yung mga pangalan ninyo and mag-paraffles tayo dito guys. Diba? Ayan siya. At ilagay natin dyan. So lahat may nakasubscribe sa akin, masali sa raffles. And maka-receive kayo ng something really good. Either a wallet or a purse. Either a wallet or a backpack or something na galing dito sa US guys. So very, very nice. And it will guys, if we touch 100 subscribers, magpa-raffles tayo. Ayan, bukas darating na ang ating box. Meron doong maraming mga abobot na mga ukay-ukay. Aside from that, may mga new stuff din. So, authentic yan guys from the US. So, ayan, ang gagawin natin is you subscribe to my channel and join the raffles. Kung sino yung winner, I will contact the winner. I'll send you the napanalunan natin next week. Okay, so hurry up, subscribe, click the subscribe button, and join our paraffles.